Welcome back, everybody. We are up in the Beartooth Mountains, and I found a little cubby hole, and we're just going to come out, relax. It's an absolutely fantastic day, and we're going to stay the night and head back to the house in the morning. So Lewis Gulch is an area that I came up when we first got back to Sweetgrass County here 30 years ago to do some resource development. Came up here, did my first hike-in elk hunt. We come up to not too far from where we're at right now. Me and a buddy of mine that have worked together for years. He lives in North Dakota now, and we hiked way up the mountain, almost, well, past Alpine and up into some of the barren areas. Words are hard. And had a blast. I've hunted all over these mountains. But today, we're just going to take it easy. Beautiful weather. One of the few days the wind isn't blowing yet. And we're just going to set up. I got the camper up here. And let's get it set up and walk through the setup a little bit. And then we'll chat a little bit about the backcountry up here in south central Montana. We're going to go ahead and set the heater up. I'm going to go out on a limb and say there's about a 75% chance we're not even going to need it tonight. But I'd rather have it set up and be inside. And if it gets cold, hit my remote, fire it up on low, take the chill off, turn it off, and go back to sleep. So I'm loving this box. All right, I think we're set up. I'm going to flip the camera around, do a quick walk around, and show you how we're set up and what I brought along. So let's flip the camera around. Got me a good little table that I've had for 112 years. To let you know how cheap I am, cheapest stove I could buy. Local sporting goods store, it was like $19. Really cheap mess kit. Super cheap, both of them work good, gonna last a long time. I don't know why I brought my GPS units up. I've been all over this place and I've got tracks in both of them. Got me a little Harbor Freight light for tonight. Really cheap, work good, lasts a long time. Got my GoPro, I usually set that up on the dashboard. Recovery kit sitting on the shelf. In the back of the Jeep, I've got a small electric chainsaw, straps, shackles, stuff like that. Make it easy for my winch in the front. If I need it, I can hook onto a tree with the soft strap. It's just a endless choker, and pull myself out if I need to. I'm not going to need it today. You can see the road I came in, really old logging road, kind of growed over a bit, but flat, easy, a little bit of ruts and stuff, but no problem. all of my electronic stuff. I always bring all of this, even if I don't think I'm going to need it, but usually something will come up and I want to need it. A little bit of sustenance in there, electronics, cables, some food in here also, some beef sticks, my binoculars, my fantastic Amazon cheap shelf, worked good, lasts a long time. Got my heater set up, got this on it just to keep the sun off of it. I don't like my power station sitting baking in the sun. This evening I'll move it down, set it on the ground in case there's any dew. It'll be protected. Heater, boom, plumbed in. Intakes plugged in, exhaust pointing downhill the way it's supposed to be, not touching anything. Stabilizers are down on my outbound trailer, nice and stable. I do have to disconnect the Jeep because the tongue is so short and I can't get the tailgate open if I leave it hooked up. A little bit inconvenient, but you guys have heard me say it before. I love the short tongue. When I pulled in here, you can see how small this area is. Let me come over here. Had to do a 42-point turn. Got a significant hole right here. I had to come way hard right, drive through this hole. My breakover angle with the short tongue is very nice, very tall breakover. So I had the camper just rolling, pulled up, backed up, 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 up. Now all I got to do is back up, hook up, hang a left, and I'm out of here in the morning. But real nice setup from far left to far right. That's all I got. And we're up here, like I said earlier, in the Beartooth Mountains, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if we can get a little zoom. Let me. There we go. Beautiful cloud skies. Supposed to have 0 rain tonight or tomorrow. Just a fabulous place. So about 7,000, 7,100 feet. I don't have a lot of satellites up here, so it's kind of getting kittywampus. But yeah, we like that. That means it's going to be a very cool night tonight. Well, I decided to go on a little walk. I thought I'd try to find a bear. Haven't seen any bear scat or anything, so I'm headed back up the road. I'm almost back to camp. Walked down the road a ways, went up in the woods. I didn't really feel like carrying the camera, having a handful, just in case Boo Boo ran into me. And I do carry bear deterrent. It puts a little bear deterrent out, 158 grains at a time. I did want both hands available, but usually you just scream and holler and they'll run off. So we're back at camp, as you can see. A nice little walk, absolutely quiet, no wind whatsoever, and we really like that. So I'm gonna shut down for a little bit. I'm probably gonna crawl in the camper. I have a previous video that I'm in the middle of editing that'll drop. If you're watching this, you've already watched the other one. It'll drop first. It was one I did late winter, early spring. And then if you noticed, I haven't dropped a video in about 3.5, 4 months. Come to find out, being retired, you don't have nothing but time on your hands, especially when you have a real tiny working ranch. I've been bowed up for the last 6 months. Me and my wife both. My wife, actually, I get tired of doing something and I'll go crawl on the couch and take a half an hour nap. She's not like that. She's been a lot busier than I am with her fiber and everything. Been a great spring. It's beautiful. I'm going to take a bit of a break and I will see you in about now. I just got back from another walk. Beautiful day out. You can tell how quiet it is. There hasn't been one bit of wind. A little slight breeze when I first got here. It stopped. It's late in the evening now. Well, not real late, about 7:30. I'm gonna climb into the camper, get ready for my night. I'm gonna do some editing, get some of the footage off of this camera and off of the GoPro and get it ready, get it in a folder, and put in a little bit of work tonight up here in the Beartooth Mountains. It is fantastic up here. So I'm going to do that, cut this off, and we'll see you in the morning. Hopefully I don't oversleep and we get a little bit of a sunrise. We are in the mountains, so you're not going to get a real nice one. It'll be up for a while before it gets past the mountains to the east. The mosquitoes are out. I'm going to get in, shut everything up, open a couple windows, have the screens keep the mosquitoes off of me, and get busy. I'll see you in just a second. Well, we had a pretty good time. Got up in the mountains, 7,100 feet, camped a little bit, went on a couple short walks, and heading back home now. Just get up and zone in the mountains for a little bit. New heater box packed up. That I had that packed up literally in about 2.5 minutes. That is great. I love it. It's going to be very convenient, especially get my solar lights turned off, especially in the wintertime. So we're going to hook the trailer up and head back to the house. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, let me know. If you don't, move on. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.